Welcome to M&M News. We bring you your breaking news as it breaks. I'm Megan. Tonight we're focusing on a special topic, sickle cell anemia. We'll join reporters Margaret and Maris on the field and listen in on exclusive interviews with doctors, victims, and families, along with regular sports, entertainment, and weather updates from yours truly. Now to Margaret and Dr. Martha Pendergast with your basics on sickle cell anemia.
Thank you, Megan. I'm here with Dr. Martha Pendergast, who is a specialist dealing with sickle cell anemia. Thanks for meeting with me, Dr. Pendergast.
My pleasure.
Dr. Pendergast, what is sickle cell anemia?
It is when your red blood cells are formed abnormally in a crescent shape. This is what it looks like. This is very abnormal. Red blood cells carry oxygen. With sickle cell anemia, less oxygen is carried throughout your body.
So, doctor, how do you get this disorder?
It is recessive, which means both parents must be carriers of the trait. If only one parent has it, then you just have sickle cell trait. If both parents have it, then you have sickle cell disorder. Males and females have the same chance of getting it because both parents have to have it for it to be passed down.
Can you show me how this works?
As you see in this category, both parents are carriers. The trait is passed to their offspring. There is a 1 in 4 chance of their children having sickle cell anemia. There is a 2 in 4 chance of their child having sickle cell trait. And a 1 in 4 chance that their child will not be infected. These chances are the same for each child. If one child has the disorder, it doesn't mean the other one will too.
Thank you, Dr. Pendergast. Now off to Megan with the weather.
Hello, and welcome to our nightly weather forecast for tomorrow. As you can see, we are looking towards sweltering temperatures of 1 degree Celsius in northern Antarctica. So, break out the bathing suits, folks. The water is finally thawing. In Belize, forecasters are predicting a humid day with a high of 101 and a low of 93 degrees Fahrenheit, humidity at a sticky 63%. The National Bureau of Disasters advises you to stay inside, though, due to unpredictable showers of frogs throughout the day. Finally, in Italy, today will be a fine day to hit the beach with your friends with an average temperature of 90 degrees Fahrenheit, except for the fact that anyone who lives near the beach is being evacuated because of towering tsunamis coming at the peninsula from all 3 sides. That's all for now. Back to you, Margaret.
Thanks, Megan. I'm here at a sickle cell anemia support group. This is where people with sickle cell anemia and their families come to meet others who are going through the same thing. I'm here with Penelope Clearwater, who is suffering from sickle cell anemia. Thank you for taking this time to speak with me.
Anytime.
So tell me, Penelope, why do you come to the support group?
Well, I come because I haven't had an easy time with my case of sickle cell anemia.
From what I hear, some people don't live life any different from those who don't have it.
That's true, but some people like me have a pretty hard time. I have suffered from many symptoms since I was 4 months old.
What are those symptoms?
Like most people, I suffer from pain episodes called crises, where I have shortness of breath and pain in my chest and back. I have dizziness, headaches, fatigue, paleness, yellowing of my skin, confusion, and coldness of my hands and feet.
It's been great speaking with you. We'll let you get back to your group. Now off to Maris.
Thanks, Margaret. I'm here with Linda Foyleberry, who suffers from sickle cell anemia. Both her mother and father passed away from this terrible disease. Tell me, what kind of treatment options are available for people who suffer from this? Folic acid helps your body produce new red blood cells, and pain medications can help you with your pain crisis, which are about pain. And if your pain is serious, you may have to go to the hospital for IV transfusions. What are other options? It's definitely a good idea to drink lots of fluids and avoid high altitudes and extremely high and low temperatures. Hydroxyurea helps reduce your pain, and you should eat healthy, exercise, rest, avoid alcohol, drugs, and smoking. And you can get blood transfusions and oxygen. Nitric oxide stops sickle cells from clumping, and fetal hemoglobin stops sickle cells from forming. So the only way to be completely cured is to get a bone marrow transplant, but it's very risky. They're working on a gene therapy, which will stop the abnormal gene. Thanks for your time. Now on to Megan with your sports and entertainment.
Hello, and welcome back to Sports and Entertainment. Sources close to the Kardashian family say Kim and Kanye West are back together, but then they broke up again, and then they got back together. Rapper Macklemore's #1 hit, Thrift Shop, has become the anthem of shoplifters everywhere, many blaring the songs from their iPods while robbing stores. Also, a new YouTube video has surfaced, starring a duck quacking the tune of Lady Gaga's Bad Romance. That's all for now. I'm here with very famous jazz musician, Miles Davis. You may or may not have known, but Miles Davis suffers from sickle cell anemia. Tell me, Miles, how hard has it been to deal with this?
It's been hard. Sometimes when I'm playing my trumpet, I suffer a pancreas disease, and it becomes hard for me to play my trumpet or even breathe.
I'm sorry to hear that. What advice can you give others who are struggling with this disease?
I would tell them to learn about their disease so they can take proper precautions. But I will say that this disease does not have to limit you. Don't let this disease define who you become.
Great advice, Miles. Thank you for your time.
Here's a big thanks to the people we interviewed for allowing this session to happen, and a thank you to everyone who watched this and wanted to learn more about sickle cell anemia. That's all for tonight. We'll be back tomorrow.